Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to English grammar lesson on my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you present continuous tense. The present continuous verb tense indicates an action which is in progress at the time of speaking or at the present time. Present continuous tense is also called as present progressive tense. It is a verb tense when we talk about an action happening at present or action in the future. Present continuous tense indicates two types of tenses like simple present tense and future tense. The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus auxiliary verb be plus main verb. In auxiliary verb be you have the words am, is, are, and in main verb you have present participle ing. The formula of present continuous tense is auxiliary verb be am, are, is plus present participle ing to the main verb. You have to follow the rules of present continuous tense by adding ing to the main verb. There are other rules of present continuous tense that you have to follow. This is positive sentences. You have to understand which is singular subject and auxiliary verb of these sentences. First one, I am waiting. Singular subject is I. I belongs to first person. You have to add auxiliary verb am for first person. Next, you are waiting. Singular subject is you. You belongs to second person. You have to add auxiliary verb are for second person. Next, she is waiting. Singular subject is she. She belongs to third person. You have to add auxiliary verb is for third person. This is negative sentences. You have to understand and follow the same rules, which is the singular subject for first person, second person, third person and its auxiliary verbs. It is same rules that you have to follow like positive sentences, how I have taught here. In negative sentences, you have to add the word not. Only that much is the difference. This is the questions. In questions also, you have to follow the same rules and understand which is the singular subject and its auxiliary verbs for first person, second person and third person, like positive sentences and negative sentences. This is the positive sentences of plural subjects and its auxiliary verb. First positive sentences was of singular subjects and its auxiliary verb. In these sentences you have to understand which are the plural subjects of first person, second person and third person. First one, we are waiting. Plural subject is we. We belongs to first person. Next, you are waiting. Plural subject is you. You belongs to second person. Next, they are waiting. Plural subject is they. They belongs to third person. Auxiliary verb of plural subjects have to add always are for first person, second person and third person. Negative sentences and questions of plural subjects and its auxiliary verb have to follow the same rules like positive sentences of plural subjects and its auxiliary verb. Their sentences are same. In negative sentences, you have to add the word not. Now let us take an examples. First one, I am eating an apple. This sentence you have subject plus auxiliary verb plus present participle ing to the main verb. Am eating is the present continuous tense because the formula of present continuous tense is auxiliary verb plus present participle ing to the main verb. The action is continuing at present to future in this sentence. When you talk about an action, what happens at present, that kind of actions you are continuing to future. This shows you present continuous tense. Next, children are playing on the ground. You have subject plus auxiliary verb plus present participle ing to the main verb of this sentence. Are playing is the present continuous tense because the formula of present continuous tense is auxiliary verb plus present participle ing to the main verb. Next, Joe is singing a new song. Again you have subject plus auxiliary verb plus present participle ing to the main verb of this sentence. Is singing is the present continuous tense. Now we will do an exercise. Choose the correct option of the present continuous tense given in the brackets. First one, I dash for the shops to open in bracket wait, am waiting, waiting. The singular subject is I. I belongs to first person. Auxiliary verb of singular subject for first person is am. So the correct answer will come am waiting. I am waiting for the shops to open. Next, my sister dash at home for the moment. Correct answer is living. My sister is the singular subject. Is the auxiliary verb of the singular subject for third person. You are talking to third person about your sister. Next, hurry up, we dash for you in bracket are waiting, waiting, wait. We is the plural subject. Auxiliary verb of plural subject will come always are. So correct answer is are waiting. Next, he dash in Italy at the moment in bracket works, working, is working. Singular subject E is the third person. So the correct answer will come is working. If you understood present continuous tense, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.